Cure and curl. Cure. Cure is a verb that means to relieve someone of the symptoms of a disease or condition, typically through medical treatment or intervention. It can also refer to the process of restoring health or well-being. Examples: the doctor prescribed antibiotics to cure the patient's infection. Rest and plenty of fluids can often help cure a common cold. Curl. Curl is a verb that means to form into a spiral or ringlet shape. It can refer to the act of twisting or coiling something, such as hair or a piece of paper. Examples: she used a curling iron to curl her hair before the party. The edges of the paper started to curl after being exposed to moisture. Differences. The key difference between cure and curl lies in their meanings and usage. Cure is primarily associated with healing, treatment, and restoration of health, while curl is more about forming a spiral or ringlet shape. Cure is commonly used in medical contexts, while curl is often used in relation to hairstyling or the physical properties of objects like paper. Despite their different meanings, both words are verbs that indicate an action being performed on something, whether it be treating an illness or creating a specific shape.